Once upon a time, in the vast savannah of Africa, lived a little impala named Impy. Impy was not like the other impalas. He was smaller, and his spots were unique, like a painted canvas on his body. One sunny morning, Impy decided to explore the savannah. He hopped away from his mommy and daddy, promising to return before sunset. As he walked, he met a wise old elephant named Elli. "Hello, little Impy," Elli greeted. "Where are you off to?" "I'm going on an adventure," Impy replied, his eyes sparkling with excitement. "Be careful, little one," Elli warned. "The savannah can be dangerous." Impy thanked Elli and continued his journey. He saw a tall baobab tree, its branches reaching out like friendly arms. Impy climbed it and saw a beautiful view of the savannah. Next, he met a group of zebras. They welcomed him, but Impy was in a hurry. He wanted to find something special. Impy found a pond, filled with colorful fish and beautiful lotus flowers. He saw a baby crocodile playing near the water's edge. Impy knew better than to approach it, so he moved on. As the sun began to set, Impy found himself lost. He felt scared, but a friendly owl hooted, "Follow the river, Impy. It will lead you home." Impy followed the river and soon saw the familiar silhouettes of his mommy and daddy. They were worried, but Impy showed them his adventure stories. "I'm home," Impy said, snuggling close to his mommy. "I learned that the savannah is beautiful, but home is where the heart is." From that day on, Impy went on many adventures, but he always returned home before sunset. And every night, he would tell his friends about his adventures, teaching them that the world is full of wonders, but home is the best place to be.